Hey guys, it's Aliyah and welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be filming a video on how to do the fishtail braid. I have got many questions about how I do this braid, and it's very simple and very easy, so I don't want to make this video too long, so let's just get started. So the first thing you're going to want to do is gather your hair up into a ponytail. Next, you're going to want to divide the ponytail into 2 even sections. Then you're going to want to pick a small piece of hair from one side like I'm doing. Then you want to cross that piece to the other section and hold it. And you're doing the same thing on each side. So grab a piece of hair from this side and cross it over the other section. Now you're going to want to repeat this all the way down like I am. And you can start to see your fishtail braid form. Then I'm going to take my hair and tie it off in an elastic. And what I like to do is I like to make my braid a little thicker. So what I'll do is like feather out my braid. So I'm gonna pull on the ends of it to make it look a little bigger. So that was it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope this helped you out. So don't forget to subscribe, and like always, I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.